Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the import tool on our web portal. Now this is very beneficial for new businesses that are bringing in their new inventory or bringing in all of their customers from another POS system or from their own services that they use themselves. Then this is the perfect tool for you to get started with everything that you need in your shop. Now, in order to use the import tool, we will simply be going over to this import tool option right here on the menu. And then once we get to this page, we'll have the option to import either customers, inventory, repairs, or sales. They're all going to be in a CSV format and must follow the template that we have. With these CSV samples on the side, you'll be able to download those CSV files and make sure that you're following the proper template for your import. This here is the items CSV file that you will have to follow the template for in order to import your items and stock into the inventory through the import tool. You'll have to write the product's name, the price, its cost, the type, the SKU number, barcode, how much you have in stock, whether or not it's taxable, and its short title description. All of these will immediately translate into the application, and as long as you follow this template properly, your import will go smoothly. And this here is the CSV file for your customers. Again, you will have to follow this template in order for the import to be smooth and in order to have all of your customers be imported. After having your CSV file finished and already being ready to import your inventory or customers, we can go to the category that we're going to upload. In this case, we're going to be uploading our inventory. And then all we have to do is drag and drop a CSV file into the inventory. So we'll go ahead and take our sample item CSV file and put it in. Now we'll see all of the items that we're going to be putting in out of the 333 entries that we have down here. And we'll go ahead, select the shop that we're going to be updating it into. In this case, it's this shop right here. And we will upload. Once this progression bar hits 100%, our upload will be completed and we'll be done importing our inventory. Upload successful. Now, if there were any problems, it would tell me of an error at this moment and let me either bypass it and ignore it by not adding whatever items have an issue, or we can go back and fix it by using whatever CSV file editor we have available.